And I heard the Lord speak loud and clear, ride your motorcycle. I've had encounters with the Lord. This was different. I felt like he was riding on the back of the motorcycle. And he starts speaking to me in conversation. Sure enough, I hit a storm in just maybe half an hour. I hit a bad storm. Normally you see motorcycles pull off the highway during a storm. Again, I heard the Lord say, keep going. I believe that's a word. I believe there's storms that we've got to learn to not let storms change our course, but we've got to stay on course regardless of the storm.